Hello, welcome to the video. In this video I show you how to set up Java, for example for developing Minecraft mods or something like that. First have a look in your boot drive and look for the program files folder or for the programs folder x68 and then look if there's a Java folder. If you have a folder like that, look into it and look if there's a JDK and a JRE folder. If you haven't any of this, you should install Java first, which I'm going to show you in a second. And if there's only one folder, you should download it too. It should be 1.8. You can use 1.9, but it's still kind of buggy. So currently you should use 1.8, but in the future you can use 1.9. You should also look for the numbers here in the back. If they are too low, like under 100, you should also download the newest version because then you have an old version installed. The link is in the description below. You go on the website and just accept the license agreement for the newest JDK version and then select your operating system, and for me it's Windows x46, and just download it. I don't really need it, so I cancel the download and go further. So then you have folders like that in your program files folder or your program files 86 folder, and then you just have it installed. Now we need to set up the environmental variables because many programs need them to work correctly with Java, and that's a huge mistake many users do. So there are always concerns about the missing variables, and that's really annoying. So how to set up them correctly? You need to go to the start button and then type in environmental variables. I need to do it in German because I have a German system, so for me it's Umgebungsvariablen. And you need it to do it for your account, so it should be dieses Konto in my case. In your case it should be for this account or something like that. So you click on it and then you have just this overview. First you need to set up a Java home variable, which is kind of easy to do. You go in your JRE folder and then in the bin folder, copy this path and just go here and make a new variable, name it java_home and type in that and click OK. Then it should be there and you have a Java home variable. After that you should have a look in the path variable, which should be already there, if not created, and then click on there. There are many variables in there, but we need only the Java. So copy that too and just go in and make new and type it in. And for the JDK folder, just go in the bin folder, copy that path and insert it too. After that you can go on OK and save it. I just removed them because I have them already in, so you don't need them twice. After that go OK, and then you can use the CMD, the command prompt, or the new Windows command prompt, I don't know how it's called, and then go on it and just type in Java. If there is a missing comment, you should retry the steps or just write me a comment in the comments below, so I may help you. And the JavaC command should also work because that's for programming, and if it's not working you should also write me a comment. Thanks for watching the video and don't mind my English skills. I'm sorry if I make mistakes, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.